Guys, we gotta go. We're getting attacked by wasps.
Yeah, I just got bit. Fuck. Oh, I'm being attacked. Morning. It's about 6 a.m. Heading up to the lodge for breakfast. And the gorilla trek begins. Ooh, it's a foggy one. Look at that. This is about to be some gorillas in the mist type shit. I will say last night, Billy sleeps with the Wonder Woman theme song just blasting out of his headphones. Like, it was tough for me to fall asleep. He also snores very loudly, but I got back at him by farting inside his mosquito net. So I think we're even now. Today we'd be trekking through Bwindi Impenetrable Forest, home to half of the world's population of highly endangered mountain gorillas.
You tell me something's impenetrable, I'm going to try to penetrate it. That's just like a rule of thumb. Billy's out of the boot, folks. He's off the beers. He's a new man. Okay, so smoking, eating, and drinking not permitted.
Doesn't say anything about vaping.
Doesn't say anything about ripping upper deckies.
Uganda. I understand this may have been a long-term dream, planning to visit the mountain gorillas, planning to visit the Pearl of Africa, but finally, you're already here. I believe your dream will come true.
Are we ready for the walk?
Yes.
We shall follow I myself.
All right.
This troop has two silverbacks. One's the dominant, and one's the beta. I'm gonna see if I can make them fight. Michelangelo is gonna try that with me and you.
So gorillas from 13 years and above, it's the age when the male gorilla starts changing its back to silver. And the females tend to leave their mother group peacefully when they reach the age of 6 because they don't want to commit incest. The fact that they have the instinct which tells them that you can't sleep with your relatives. They are more or less like us.
Yeah,
And
except for Alabama.
yes.
To help us find the gorilla troops, our trek leader was in constant communication with trackers deep in the forest.
We shall keep communicating with them, and for us, we shall keep moving to the direction they are telling us to use. I think now at this point, we may increase on our pace because we want to reach to where they are telling us a bit earlier. Is it okay? Yeah. Okay.
The trail was packed with all sorts of wildlife, including safari ants,
It's true, the only way you can stop them is dig a hole, put gasoline in it, dig a trench, pour gasoline, and light it on fire.
and snake-sized earthworms.
Dude, you could catch like a shark with that if you use this bait.
Yeah, imagine fishing with
Yeah,
that.
they use them as baits here for fishing.
I'm not worried about those worms. I'm worried about like tapeworms, ringworms, parasitic worms. This is so cool. We're just deep in the rainforest. Unbelievable. I could really use a walking stick. Billy is here to coach American football in Kampala.
Yeah.
You're coaching American football?
Yeah.
Yes.
In
Should I
Kampala.
join the team?
Yeah, we could.
Probably need more people.
If you can track gorillas, I think you could play American football.
I think I can.
Yeah.
Little does she know I have a broken ankle.
Here's a little thought exercise. If I blew a vape cloud into a gorilla's face, would I get more or less hate than Logan Paul when he filmed a dead guy in Japan? I think there's a lot of people out there that appreciate animals more than humans. So I might actually get more hate.
Don't vape at a gorilla.
I'm not. It was a thought exercise, not an actual exercise. All right, I'm sweating seeds. We should encounter the gorillas within the next hour.
You know, this the movement of gorillas, no one can tell.
Yeah.
Because you may find when we reach them, they're in a flat area, a good area for viewing. Then the moment you start viewing, they start moving.
As a wise man once said, there ain't no valley low enough, there ain't no mountain high enough to stop me from seeing gorillas.
You know better.
Yep.
And so, we should expect anything.
Yeah.
But you shouldn't be demoralized though. No. We are here for the whole day. I ask them to keep with the positive attitude and the determination, only that. The rest you leave to nature to take its course.
I'm pretty nervous. My ankle is the most surprising thing of this whole ordeal, hiking about 5 miles. You know, my ankle hasn't given out, which is great news. Donnie farted in my netting last night, so I'm gonna rip a fart that I used to walk through. Oh, that's silent but deadly. He's gonna walk right there. Check out this elephant poop. Yeah. We've come across the trackers. That means we're very, very close to the gorillas.
Yeah, when you see a human gorilla ahead of us, you know we are nearing the gorillas. So he's telling me that the left gorillas a bit ahead. He came here because down there was no reception for us to communicate. It went off because they are in the valley. So there's one tracker trying to block. Then others are still looking for the second silverback. So he will now take us to where he has left them.
Oh boy. We're gonna see gorillas. The thing is, the silverbacks are the only ones that charge and fight, but the female gorillas could also easily beat your ass. Do you think a female gorilla might jack us up?
I mean, a chimpanzee could beat you up.
Yeah, well, chimps are different.
Can't believe Billy's doing this with his ankle.
I'm on a lot of painkillers.
Okay.
Shit.
You okay?
Ah, the ankle is made this far, but that might have just done it in. I literally just got my ankle getting smoked, like right on camera.
Let us prepare ourselves. For those who would wish to smoke, let us have it here. Because when with gorillas, we don't do any of the above.
You can crank hoons right here?
You can do it here before we go to gorillas.
You may have heard of gorillas in the mist.
Whether they
Have you ever heard of gorillas in the clouds?
We shall get our masks ready. Ever since the outbreak of corona, we build with them with our masks on.
Dr. Fauci got to the gorillas.
We shall leave our walking sticks behind because they tend to scare gorillas. They have good memory of those days when people used to enter in the forest hunting. So when they see you with this walking stick, they may think you're an enemy. Other people are still looking for the other silverback and the members, but we shall start viewing these ones. For those who are ready, you can move ahead and follow Timothy.
After a strenuous 2 hours of trekking, I finally set eyes on my first gorilla.
Oh my God.
There's a gorilla. Oh my God, the baby doesn't look real.
They were majestic.
and I was completely hypnotized by their beauty. But I was shaken out of my trance when our guide started to get worried about some unwanted visitors.
I see there are wasps. Hope no one's afraid. The insect repellent.
Attracts wasps.
It attracts wasps. These wasps are going to disturb us.
Guys, we gotta go. We're getting attacked by wasps.
Wait, but no one has even been bit.
Let us come because one has just stung me.
Yeah, one was on your face. Did you get stung again?
Yeah. I think let me move a bit up.
You can follow her. Just follow her. Let us run. Let us follow her.
I think we are being attacked by wasps. But I still had no proof of that until one landed on my face. Oh shit, I think I got one on me. Fuck. What? Yeah, I just got bit. Fuck. We were under attack. Oh, shit. Yep, I'm being attacked. Oh, dude, I'm getting shredded. Keep running. They were everywhere, even stuck in my mask. Fuck. I'm getting eaten alive. Fuck.
You get stung, Donnie?
Yeah, like 20 times.
Holy shit.
My entire scalp just got bit. Oh yeah, there's still all in my hair. Whoo! My head's on fire. Got stung, I think, 10 times on my scalp, on both hands, on my back, on my legs. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Although, these are African wasps. Maybe they will kill me.
I'm gonna keep running.
Luckily, it turned out they were biting us, not stinging us. So we didn't have to worry about their venom.
I should have yelled louder at you guys.
Donnie, any words?
Have you guys seen the movie Congo? Where they go and like find that secret like killer type of gorilla and then everything goes wrong? That's what this is reminding me of. The gorillas let us into a trap. They had that planned. Now, I haven't been stung by a bee in like 6 years. I just got fucking 12 wasp stings in the span of 5 minutes, which I'm still pulling wasps out of my head. Whew. Well, maybe we can like circle around and see the gorillas from that side. I'd still like to spend a little more time with them. I was like in the process, I was about to have like a transcendent moment when the gorilla was turning around with the baby. It was the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. And then boom, first the wasp just landed on my shades. And next thing you know, boom, 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 boom. Everyone's screaming and running. I think it will make for funny content. I mean, if you want to see gorillas, watch National Geographic. If you want to see a bunch of idiots get attacked by wasps, tune into the Wonton Don.
Holy, thank God I got out of there.
Are you still getting bit?
One just landed on me. I probably got like 4 or 5 bites.
I'm getting a lot of mixed signals because we were all told to put on insect repellent so like we don't get bit by mosquitoes and get malaria. And now we're being told that wasps are attracted to insect repellent. Fucking doomed if you do, doomed if you don't.
Oh, Donnie, you know what it is? Your vape.
Billy tried blaming the attack on my vape, but I wasn't buying it.
Why would you even risk it? Why would you even risk it?
You know, if you get stopped, dude.
Dude, I swear to God, dude, I haven't even got. Get away from me, dude. I'm not.
Billy smells like vape.
Don't. It's not funny, dude. Fucking.
Okay, I'll stop.
I hope you get attacked again.
We weren't about to let a wasp attack ruin our gorilla trek though, so continued on in search of the other troop.
Hey, oh. Almost went down. If the person who did my x-ray could see what I'm putting my ankle through right now, they would be horrified. Whoa, what's going on over there?
And after about 20 minutes, stumbled upon two rambunctious juveniles wrestling in the underbrush.
Two juveniles playing, tracking them up here. Maybe these two will take us to their dad.
And finally got eyes on our first silverback.
We just got eyes on a silverback. Oh my God, he's gonna be our starting defensive tackle. That thing is giant.
Who is spending some quality time with his son.
He's grooming his father right now. Up.
All the wasp bites were worth it, as this was truly the most memorable wildlife experience of my life.
What if we grunt the wrong thing? JC is back. Oh my God, that was a wet one. The female just ripped ass. I've been ripping ass a lot this trip too. Oh, she heard me.
After observing them for an hour, the rain started to come down hard, and the troop disappeared into the bush to seek shelter.
I think we can end it here.
All right.
So let us put on our rain gears and we'll find our way out.
It's coming down. Time to suit up and get out of here.
Walking back in a torrential downpour was no easy task, and we all ate shit multiple times. But we made it.
Yo, we had torrential downpours the entire walk back. Couldn't even take out the camera. Everything is soaked, but the footage is secured. That was a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Every time I think the rain's gonna stop, it just starts pounding down again.
The rain is different here. It just doesn't stop. Like harsh rain in America with big raindrops usually goes away quickly. This was just hammering us the whole time. Like I was soaked through. Like I might as well just jumped in a pool right now.
How's your ankle doing?
My ankle hurts like a motherfucker. I'm going down. I'm hitting double digit local beers to make this pain go away. And then we got to start thinking about beating Kenya.
Yeah, I think you got to go back in the boot for a bit.
Yeah, I do. Enough monkey business. Beat Kenya.
Look for nice frames where you can put these certificates. I start by congratulating William Cotter.
Oh.
The only obedient student I had.
Saved us from the wasps.
Michael and Gemma.
Or saved himself from the wasps.
Believe it or not, I think Billy may have been right about wasps being attracted to vapes. But anyways, now that we could cross seeing gorillas in the wild off our bucket list, we could devote all our attention to coaching the Ugandan football team. Tune in February 28th for the premiere of Last Chance Uganda.